Previously on Sailing Aquarius, impeccable locations and lots of fans. After a few weeks island hopping in very remote villages and a bit bigger towns, we finally reached our first milestone, Labuan Bajo. We anchored a little bit ways away from the main city up north, surrounded by beautiful hotels and beautiful water to swim. Once a small fishing village, Labuan Bajo is now a famous tourist center, as well as a center of government for the surrounding region. It is also a gateway for trips across the nearby Komodo National Park, a home to the famous Komodo dragons. Also, there are countless and worldwide famous dive spots attracting many divers. Our plan is to stay here for at least a week or even more and finally slow down and relax. It's a lunchtime and we stop for most popular local street food, bakso.
This is really good.
Yep. Really good.
Hey, Big Spender, how much was it?
15,000, so much.
Don't ask, when you invited how much you spent. Right? I invited you for this meal, so it was so much money.
It was $1.
Town is busy with different businesses, but you have to be so careful walking the sidewalks, as that could be deadly. Deep ditches come out of nowhere and just keep going on. And it is not always easy to keep your eyes on a sidewalk because, as I mentioned, Komodo Park is very popular for divers and there are so many dive shops offering their business, talking to you, asking for your attention, and I would say it's about 80% of businesses on the street is at dive shops. It's just enormous quantity. It doesn't even make sense. So busy. Also, the day we arrived, we got to witness some sort of parade, which was also fun. It was a long and busy day, so we went to a nice restaurant recommended by everyone, starting with tourist guides and finishing with other sailors. The bar is made from reclaimed wood from old ships and different marine accents, and we heard that the food was exceptionally presented.
The food looks amazing.
Yep, that was true. In the evening, Main Street by the pier becomes a night market with many choices of fresh seafood. It looked very appetizing, but we are too tired today and we'll come back here tomorrow. Next day, while wandering around the town, we ran into another Aquarius, which is less related to water, and also we decided to take a break from busy streets and sneak into one of those countless dive shops to see what they are offering. We loved this place so much. It was really cool ambience. So we arranged an interview with its one of the owners.
So you are one of the owners, right?
Yeah, We are two owners, William and me, and now we have another person who just entranced the company.
Why this place? Why Indonesia?
First, it has to be like an incredible underwater world because it was a dive center. It doesn't has to be too crowded already. It's not like if you go and build a dive shop in Koh Tao now. Like, why? There is so many concurrents already. So this a place where you can easily learn the local language. We wanted a place where it can be developed soon. So the airport here gonna become international in a year and a half. So we were here before the boom. And the last one, I didn't want a place with drugs. And here there is no drugs, not even marijuana to smoke, nothings. And I like that. That's what I wanted because it affects a lot the diving.
What are the best dives here? Other things that you cannot see anywhere else?
More than this, that's the how healthy is the reef. Many places is the bleaching phenomenon for coral. When the water comes too warm, the coral become white, the algae become white, the coral die, and no more life around. And here we are super lucky. There is a big movement of water from the Pacific Ocean and the south of Indian Ocean, and we have a nice cold current from the south of the Indian Ocean coming up here, and it keeps the water always not too warm. And that's why we don't have the bleaching phenomenon. But we're in the middle of this, what they call the region called the Coral Triangle, and we have like so much biodiversity here and many things. So we can see many small things, diversity of small things incredible, and we have one of the biggest manta ray population in the world here. So we have the hostel.
You have a hotel?
But hotel. This is private room.
Yes.
This is 8 private room. This is only dorms.
Okay.
So we wanted since the beginning to mix that because more and more some people want to have the comfort of an hotel, but they want to have the ambience of an hostel. So we mix both, and yeah, people are happy. We quickly developed the company having a cruise boat, a liveaboard, with the same concept, private cabin and dorms on boat. So we always keep mixing these different people who want to have comfort and things. And now we have a second liveaboard and a second daily boat. So yeah, but yeah, once again we are the only one. Yeah. Hey Alex. Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. Come join us.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Alexis. I'm an instructor here at Dragon Dive.
Cool. How do you like it here?
I love it. I originally got my instructor here and then stuck my head in the water and I couldn't leave. So.
Oh my God, so funny.
So you
Lot of
came here
people
for
are
a
like
couple
that.
weeks and you stayed for a month or 2 months, a year.
4.5 months going on strong.
Yeah.
Ooh la la.
Be here for the next year, maybe longer. So.
But a lot of them come just for 2 weeks doing the advanced course and let's go a bit further, rescue, and then gotta stay for the dive master. And after the dive master, you do instructor here too, let's do that. And at the end, because we formed them from the beginning, so we know they know the whole dive shop, the dive spot, whereas them, they want to work here. So they came for 2 weeks and they stay for 2 years or 3 years.
So you have to give a disclosure. Beware for coming diving. You might get stuck here for a year or two. Since we had no more guidance from Sail Indonesia Rally, we tried to organize a get-together ourselves in a popular local spot. And a couple other boats and sailors joined us for some fun evening. And then we collectively went for a night market to get some seafood treats.
I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Oh, yeah, now I know the time I've got is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Is it good?
Oh, it's good. Very good. Very, very good.
Ooh la la, it looks good.
Ooh la la. That is awesome.
Looks good.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end. But still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach
So,
the shore.
today, besides our many friends, we also have 3 diving ships in the same anchorage. Those are live aboard dive ships.
As planned, we were having relaxed time in a protected and nice anchorage surrounded by our friends and beautiful hotels, enjoying their restaurants, foods, and music.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had.
Good morning, Captain.
Good morning.
We'll have to wash it. So sad to leave this beautiful anchorage. Another 3 boats took off this morning, and it's 7 a.m. so they took quite early, and we are going to Komodo National Park. Ooh la la, but this place was a treat. So many nice bars and music and beach. Okay, the anchor is clean. Let's get this baby up. It's very hazy. Smells like fire.
You watching the overlay? So this is where the forward-looking sonar comes in very handy. I can see out 80 meters in front of me, and I can see it's 24 meters deep. That is awesome. And then we're going to be coming into some shallow areas, and I want to show you when we get there. We should be coming in like 12 meters.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, Komodo National Park, Komodo dragons, and some fun activities. Join us. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish